going on, everybody? Your boy Shaka here once again. As you can see, I have a 2008 Honda Civic right behind me, aka Blue, aka the cousin's car actually. But yeah, it's just a daily, nothing crazy, everybody. As you can see, there's like no wheel gap here. Well, I mean, there's a wheel gap, but like, right? Now, you look in the back, you see this big ass wheel gap. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Earlier today, he was throwing on the front suspension, which my little dude, putting in that work, you already know. He into that Honda life. So we're just gonna be fixing up the suspension, probably rolling the fenders a little bit. That B Garage, shout outs to him, because he taught me a way how to roll fenders with an impact gun, so I cannot wait to try that. You see my cousin over there digging in the back of the car.
What's good?
DBR fan, we out here, dog. Anywho, look at this. Another Max Peeding rods. Can y'all see that? Anywho, they're Max Peeding rod, goddammit. We're not gonna go into it. There you go. Max Peeding, my bad. Max Peeding rods. But they've been doing some good suspension. I'm not gonna lie. Like, people talk all the shit they want, but like, you can't go wrong with cheap coilovers. I mean, you could, but that's like maybe like a few months down, or maybe like a year down the road or so. Anywho. Look how this dude's standing up there.
I'm short, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. So, like I said, he already did the front. We're just gonna be doing the backs. He is right now taking off the bolt for the top hat, and I guess this is the bolt you're talking about in strip?
Yeah.
That means cutting time. That's all that means, bro. Let's turn this side.
Oh, I got one.
Oh shit. Okay, cool.
Dude, I'm telling you, I did the whole shit right. Just because of this side, I had to put everything back. I was tight as last night.
Oh man. Alright, so we ran into a little problem here. The bolt is stripped now. I'm either gonna have to cut it off, but catch y'all then. Ow! Fucking hit the side of my phone. I missed. And we're back. We're not finished though. Had a little break, you know. Anywho, shine that flashlight. So, we've been over here trying to be at it with this. You already know. That little cutting wheel right there. Oh, not both of them. Put that one back. What you riding for? We'll need all that light. I get the right camera angle, the right light, so y'all can really see in there. I really can't get my phone in there. But y'all see that line? Yeah, that's what we're trying to get through. Yeah, so that's being a little problem right now. But we're taking care of that. So I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse.
5 years later.
And these little pins right here. Back my glove. Gotta make sure.
Oh shit.
Alright, now we can put the rear ones in here. Alright guys, finally, we got this, you know, I ain't gonna curse right now because I just said I wasn't gonna curse, but I almost cursed again. But we got, where's it at? We got the old, oh, it's right here on the floor. Got this old piece of shit strut right out. Yo, I had to do so, oh, I can't, y'all not even looking at it. I was mad off. Look at all that. Look at all that. Just for this in the back. So, ran into a problem. Those springs, yeah, them stock Honda springs. They're serious, dog. But anyways, take that out. All you do is pop that lower control arm bolt that goes right there. Sorry about that. But take out the 2 bolts that go to the sway bar up top because it's just easier just to let it flex and be out the way. So then we can get the spring out. That's why I'm doing that to the other side now. We already got this side out.
Yo, this spider really chilling. Like, he really think he owns this shit.
Yeah, guys, look at this shit. Y'all think I be lying and shit? Look at him just running away. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Bugs. I swear, they always around. Every time I record, there's always a weird ass spider, bee, praying mantis, some shit, dog. Yeah. We'll be back. All right, so we just finished adjusting the coilovers on all 4. So it should be sitting good now where it should be, you know, where he wants it to be at, you know, a little low. So I'm gonna tighten up this bolt. He's putting on that wheel. I'm gonna put on this wheel and then drop it for you guys and y'all see. Y'all gonna have to see that. I'm sorry. But we ready to go and drop this now. Let's see. We still got the back stiff. I mean, yo, that shit is stiff as hell. I mean, it's a little lower, but it don't seem like it went down much.
No. See what she's saying. Actually, I could tell a little bit. I feel like the wheel gap was definitely a little bigger.
It was a little bigger, but I think if we adjust the damn spring and drop that, it would definitely drop it. But it's up to you, Doug.
I'm gonna go over like this for a little bit.
Word. We're gonna go and try to hit these fenders real quick. Try and roll them out. Give me a second. And we're back and finally finished. Hopefully, for now at least. Slammed in the front, obviously. Nice little gap in the back, not too crazy, but it looking good though. Especially on camera. I don't know why, but it look fire on camera. Yeah, just check out that fender rolling though. I mean, I don't think we really needed it, but I did a little bit. A little fender rolling in here. I tried to do it like I said, like that big garage. Took the impact gun and just ran it back and forth. So that's what I did on both front fenders. Because obviously we don't need to do it to the back. Oh, I missed the start of that. Just gonna get a little adjusted. Yeah. You good? Just hit it. Nigga spinning.
She got low?
Nah, dog. Oh, yeah. I was about to say, I was like, nah, man, she can't be that damn low. She can go over that still. Oh my gosh. You hear any rubbing? Yeah. I haven't got the damn flashlight out, but just go ahead. Looking all nice and low. Let him come around. Let him go around the block real quick. But yeah, that's how you do some coilovers from Max Peeding rods. You already know. Not gonna lie, it's actually pretty stiff. Like it's pretty f***ing stiff. Like I put tension on the coils to make sure that they, you know what I mean, it wouldn't bounce so much. But it seems a little stiff. Oh, there he is right there. There you go. He wilding going over lumps like that. How she feel?
She feel good. She's doing like a clinking sound though. Coming from the right side, so I think.
That's that tie rod.
The tie rod?
Yeah. That shit that we was messing with earlier. That's what you're gonna hear clinking around in there. Yeah.
But she feels great.
Yeah. She look nice too now. You see what I'm saying? It's not that. It's settled down now, which it gave you a little stance look. I mean, slammed look. A little slammed in the front and back. That's how I like my cars all the time.
I like it too.
Niggas definitely gonna be trying to race me
I need
down.
a sticker for getting she stopped.
She stopped. I got a stockish sticker.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I got a stockish sticker. I mean, it is stockish now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this video out right here. You know, DVR fam in the house. Yeah, you already know, them boys racing. We out here fixing up our little dailies to our race cars. You already know. Y'all, I'm just bringing y'all along for the ride. And I, you know, appreciate you guys watching and following and liking and all the shit you guys do. You know what I mean? It motivates me. So, that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Cause it's already like 10 something, maybe 11 something. I don't even know, but it's late. Peace, love, and engine grease. Later. Shit. I forgot to say, you know, y'all gotta smash that like button. Smash that like button in that corner or that corner, whatever corner it's in. I honestly don't know. Definitely comment if you want to comment. I mean, it's Max Speeding rods. A lot of people talk shit. I mean, you wanna comment and talk shit. I'll go defend them right now. And I mean, that's some good ass suspension. How much you pay for that?
3 something.
He paid like around like 3 something for it. You can't go wrong with that, dog. Just look at it. Look at it, dog. It's stiff. It's not bouncy. Know what I mean? It's just looking right, dog. Just make your car look right. Definitely subscribe. Y'all gotta subscribe to your boy, cause you know what I mean. I love my subscribers. I would love you subscribe to me, so you know keep updated with all the videos that your Allentown, you know what I mean, backyard mechanic got to do. So, so I'll catch y'all later. Until next time, I'm gonna say it again. Peace, love, and engine grease.